Donel, welcome to Sanya and welcome to Miss World 2018. You were a voice runner-up 2018 and your coach was will.i.am. How does it feel to be in Sanya?
It feels amazing. Just look at it. Like, I'm so excited to be able to perform it with Miss World Final and just to see everyone, even all the contestants or the ladies that are performing with me. It's just so exciting. Something completely different but really cool at the same time.
And you're going to be singing your new single, Bang Like a Drum, which has had 2.4 million views on Spotify as well as 1 million views on YouTube. That is pretty impressive.
Yeah, that's a lot of numbers.
How has the rehearsals been going?
Rehearsals have been great. Like, the girls are all amazing. It's looking pretty crazy. And it's completely different to what I've ever done before. And that's what I love, because I love doing different things. So I'm so excited for everyone at home and everyone all over the world to watch and to see the performance come to life.
And I know our viewers are dying to know, what is will.i.am like as a coach?
Amazing. Like, he's a great mentor to me. And I've learned so much from him. And yeah, it's a friendship, it's a bond. So it's nothing fake. It's so cool to be around him.
And Donel, finally, what's next for you?
What's next for me? 2019. I'll let you keep your eyes peeled.
Well, we're looking forward to hearing your song Bang Like a Drum that you're going to be singing at the Miss World 2018 finals. And you're also from Zimbabwe.
Yes.
How does it feel to have a contestant from Zimbabwe representing your country?
I'm actually really excited, you know, because it's pretty big for Zimbabwe, because not much people are known from Zimbabwe, so it's really cool for me to be here, for Miss World Zimbabwe to be here and to just represent our home nation. And also for the ladies from the UK, Miss England, Miss Wales, Miss Scotland. So it's really exciting, yeah.
And would you like to give our contestants a message?
Message to the contestants, enjoy yourself, live your best life, and literally do the best you can, because that's all you can do.
Well, Donel, thank you so much for chatting to us, and good luck on Saturday the 8th of December at the finale of Miss World 2018. Take care.
Thank you so much.